Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the tracker and phone so connection is fast and stable. First, confirm firmware and app versions. Outdated software causes pairing issues. Once done, charge the device fully and keep the cable handy. Make sure Bluetooth and location services are on, and grant the app permission to access motion and location. Open the app, choose Add Device, and follow on-screen prompts to pair. You'll feel the vibration when paired. This confirms a secure link, so you can move to Setup. You now focus on precise calibration and secure mounting for accurate 360 tracking. First, attach the tracker to a rigid level spot. Loose mounts distort data. Once mounted, start the calibration routine. Keep the unit level, then rotate slowly through each axis for about 30 seconds so sensors stabilize. After calibration, set sensitivity and sample rate. Higher rates give smoother data but use more battery. Make sure to select the correct tracking mode for your use case, and run a short test recording to verify clean traces. You finish by capturing and finalizing your 360 session, then address common issues. Begin recording and verify the live feed, battery percentage, and available storage. If any alert appears, pause and resolve it. When done, stop recording and export or sync files, trim an app or export. CSV/GPX for post-processing. If you notice drift or jitter, recalibrate immediately, reset the baseline, and inspect the mount. Often replacing the adhesive or tightening the clamp fixes errors. Lastly, reboot the tracker to clear transient faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.